Hey there. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are in the world. I am Chandra Lake, and you've known me as doing multiple things in real estate, in financing, but I'm here today to talk about mortgage protection. What is that? And why do you need it? Well, I would be remiss to not tell you about this, especially if you have a mortgage on your home currently. So what is a mortgage and is it enforceable if you were to die today? The answer is yes. So unlike other debts, it does not just get dissolved upon your death, but a mortgage is actually enforceable even after the time of your death. So if you have a balance on your home that you owe to a lender, if you that balance is not paid, they have the right, and a lot of times they will foreclose on your home. So there's two things that your heirs can do if you were to pass away and you have a mortgage on your property. So one, they can take over the payments and just go ahead and continue to make the payments until your mortgage is paid off. Some of the challenges with that is that because the mortgage is not in their name, unless they can show that they have a right to access your information, such as a spouse. And usually this comes by letter of authority from a court through probate court. Then a lot of times the mortgage company will not answer questions. They can't get into your account. So they're really just making payments on your behalf until the debt or lien is paid off. Number two, which happens even more frequently, is that they can go ahead and sell your property and pay off the mortgage to make it free and clear. But then they lose the home. They don't have access to the home. And depending on how much equity is left on the property, and remember, equity is the amount, the value of the property minus the amount that you owe on the property. That's how much is available to be received by your heirs in cash. Sometimes it could be a phenomenal amount, and sometimes maybe not so much. So those two are options. The third option, which is the best option, and what I'm here to talk to you about today, is mortgage protection. And so, how mortgage protection works is that it's an insurance policy that covers the amount of your mortgage balance for the number of years that you have left to pay on the property. So, say you have 25,000 left on your property you owe to a lender, and you have maybe 15 years left. So you would obtain this type of protection in the form of an insurance policy, a term policy in for like 15, 20 years, so that if in the event of your demise, it can pay off the proceeds or the lien or lender uh, lien that is on your property. And so mortgage protection is very important, especially if you have family and you want them to keep the property, you want them to retain it once you pass away. You want to give your family peace of mind. And maybe you can't replace your complete income, but at least you can take care of this debt and they don't have to worry about it. So that's mortgage protection. I can offer that to you, give you a free confidential consultation on and give you some quotes on this particular type of protection. Feel free to reach out by DMing me or get my number in the chat. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.